Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get savings tips from Trim. Are you looking to boost your savings without the guesswork? Well, Trim provides personalized savings tips based on your spending habits. Let me show you how it's done. First, start by opening the Trim app and head into the Insights, Tips, or Savings Suggestions section. This may appear under your Dashboard or Reports tab. Trim automatically analyzes your linked accounts, transaction history, and recurring expenses to offer actionable advice like, cancel this unused subscription to save $12. You can negotiate your cable bill for a better rate or set a savings goal to stash away an extra $50 a month. You might also see alerts on where you're overspending, on how to reallocate money towards savings, like cutting back on dining out or unused subscriptions. If you're a Trim Premium user, you may get access to smarter tips and negotiation tools to lower bills even more. The goal? Helping you keep more of your money without overthinking it. And that's how you use Trim's saving tips to grow your financial cushion. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to compare your spending month to month, so be sure to like and subscribe for more smart money tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.